Welcome to this part of the website. What probably sets us apart from other builders is that we're not only award-winning builders, which some builders have that accolade, we're designers. We're not only just designers, we're award-winning designers. So back our experience. We have enough experience and runs on the board. We're over 30 years in the business. We're winning awards, we're finalists in these categories time after time. So we've done the hard work. We're accredited designers and we're accredited builders. So look through the website, have a bit of a squiz around, look at what we do here at Willbuild. Feel free to click through onto Willdesign, which is our design part of the business. It can be just a standalone design part of the business where you come along and do your design only, go and find your own builder. But we find that people love the fact that they can come and sit down with their builder and start from scratch, working out what the price is going to be, working out what the project's going to look like, and then working right the way through from initial sketch to handing over the keys. Click through on the links. We'd love to talk with you about designing and building your Willbuild home.